everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joy, the Finance Director here at Drayton Valley Ford, and today we're going in depth to take a look at our limited maintenance plans that are available. This plan is available on all makes and models. You don't have to drive a Ford to take advantage of these plans. Any vehicle under 11 years old or 160,000 kilometers will qualify for the program. The limited maintenance plan is going to cover all your oil changes, tire rotations, multi-point inspections. It also covers your roadside assistance. Instead of having the annual fees from companies like AMA, you can pay upfront and be completely covered for 1, 2, 3, or 4 years. You get to choose. Roadside assistance offers you a great peace of mind. It's going to cover you for all unexpected issues you might have on your travels. This includes coverage on towing, flat tire change, trip planning, emergency travel expense reimbursement, battery boosting, winch out, lockout assistance, and fuel delivery. This is such a great program, and you don't have to worry about any annual fees. This is a one-time only fee, and you have coverage of up to 4 years. So if your vehicle is out of warranty or doesn't qualify for Ford prepaid maintenance plan, LMP might be the perfect fit for you. With peace of mind with the roadside assistance, plus you lock in your maintenance costs for up to 4 years, it's a great way to keep your vehicle maintained without the worrying about the rising costs of maintenance. Talk to your service advisor today for more information on the different plan types and pricing available for the LMP. And remember, this is on all makes and models. No matter what you drive, you can take advantage of this. Thanks for joining us again, and be sure to tune back to our channel for more exciting videos to come. If you have any questions I didn't answer in this video, leave them below and we'll get them answered for you.